can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.
Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Veer. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Psychology, University of Delhi. And today I am participating in the Kiwi Kisan's Windows Cook-Off competition. This is something that I am doing for the first time in my life. Yet I am motivated. So what stops me? What I'm going to make today is a mixed dal khichdi, which is not exactly a very exotic kind of a dish, yet a very staple part of every Indian household. I'll make it with some innovations, which I guess are going to add that crunch to it, the zing to it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get going. Hi, so let's start cooking. Let me share with you the ingredients that I've got here. As you can see here, I have kept some dals which are soaked, and the dals that I have used here are 5 dals. One is moong dhuli, masar, sabut moong, green one, split into 2 pieces, some arhar and chana dal. Along with it, of course, is the rice. The measurements have been in this beaker, 40 grams of each of them. That is 6 ingredients. Now today, the khichdi that I'm going to make is going to have some veggies added to it. So as you can see, this is onion, capsicum, peas and carrot, which I have cut into very small pieces. This is some potato. This is the green part of a white onion, the stalk that we call it. This is that white onion. It adds a special kind of flavor to the khichdi, so I have kept it here. These are cumin seeds, which we call jeera, curry patta, and this is for garnishing, the coriander leaves. Now let us start with making the tadka. I'm going to make it in a cooker. So I am using desi ghee for it. I'm just using about 2 spoons, as you can see. We can add some cumin seeds to it now. As soon as this starts spluttering, I'll add the curry patta to it. I am using very little ghee, as you can see, barely enough to make the tadka, because I am going to cook the vegetables separately. So that will also use some amount of oil. And I don't want this khichdi to be very heavy. So here we go. Now I'm going to add all the dal and the chawal. And I will tell you the exact measurement of the water that I am going to put into this, so that it becomes easier for a person who's making it for the first time to actually use it that way. We people have become a pro, so we never measure spices or anything. We just have an approximate idea, and that works well. But let me show you exactly how much water I'm using. Okay, so let me give you an idea about the kind of water. As you can see, this is 200 ml. I'm pouring it in. I need to pour, I think, at least 200 ml more here, because I like the consistency of my khichdi to be a little towards the thinner side. And about 100 ml more. Salt, of course, you can use as per your taste. Here, if you can see, I'm using almost half a teaspoon of it. And since I like color in my khichdi, I'm adding a little bit of turmeric also. That was also about half a teaspoon. So let us start cooking, and here I'm going to make the vegetables that I'm going to add to it separately. And why I'm doing it is because if I added the vegetables to that, the khichdi, probably that crunch of the vegetables would have gone. So just about a little bit of oil here, and we start with the onions. You see, the vegetables that we are adding here, we can control the temperature. We don't have to steam them. So when we don't have to steam them, they will remain crunchy. And I like the onions to be super crunchy. So let's add the onions first. Here we go. We'll saute it just for, let's say, about a minute or so. And now I can add these veggies, and like I have mentioned earlier, there are some carrots, there is onion, there is capsicum. This is going to give a beautiful color to the khichdi, and it's going to make the khichdi a paustik khichdi rather than a simple mixed dal khichdi. So I will just cook it for about a minute or two here. Basically, I'm sauteing it. After I saute it, I will just cover it for about 2 minutes or so, and that would be enough. Because I don't, like I said, I don't want to overcook my vegetables. So these vegetables, as you can see, we just have to saute them a bit. Cover them for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, my khichdi, which had been soaked for almost half an hour, has got one whistle. And I am putting it on sim now, which I will keep for about just 2 to 3 minutes, which would be enough. If your dal and rice has been soaked in advance, let's say about half an hour, it's just good enough to be cooked very easily. इसको सिर्फ एक सीटी दिलवानी है और उसके बाद 2-3 मिनट रखना है, and we are done. My veggies are quite done. Now I will add the green part of the white onions, जिसे हम सफेद प्याज कहते हैं. Like I mentioned, उसमें एक स्पेशल जिंग होती है, एक स्पेशल टेस्ट होता है, और इसमें बहुत क्रंच होता है. आपने नोटिस किया है कि मैंने इसको स्टार्टिंग में ऐड नहीं किया. आई एम एडिंग इट मच लेटर बिकॉज आई वांट इट टू रिमेन वेरी क्रंची. एंड सिंस आई हैव पुट वेरी लिटिल ऑयल इन इट, यू कैन सी देयर इज barely any oil. And like I said, I want to make a paustik khichdi. I don't want to make a heavy khichdi, and that is the essence of a khichdi, that it is very light on your stomach. So let us check the status of our khichdi. Oh, it's quite well done. Can you see this? This is how it's supposed to look, and this is the consistency, which is absolutely fine. I had added some salt to this, but I would add a little bit of salt to the veggies as well. Just about a little bit. And some black pepper. That's about it. Let us give it a toss so the veggies get mixed with the khichdi well. This is the consistency that I like in my khichdi, but in case you want to make it a little softer, you can do that by adding a little water to it and giving it a boil. And the integral part of any khichdi is a spoonful of ghee over the khichdi. And now we are good to go. Here we are. Doesn't it look delicious? As you can see, this is good enough for at least 2 people. So here we are. with the final product. It looks great, perfect consistency, and smells just as good. This is the way I wanted it to be. The perfect pौष्टिक khichdi, low on oil and fats, and as you saw, there were 5 dals into it and 1 rice. Also, I put about 5 vegetables into it. Marvelous, isn't it? I remember my mom saying, "Khichdi tere char yaar, dahi, papad, ghee, achar." So now you can have it the way you want to have it. You can combine it with dahi, papad, ghee, achar, or probably all 4 of them. I thoroughly enjoyed participating in this cook-off competition by Kiwi Kisan Windows, and I'm sure you like my dish. Happy eating!